Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the Beats Flex above 20% and unlock your Android so nothing times out. Press and hold the power button for about 1.5 to 2 seconds until the LED flashes. That's pairing mode. On your phone, open Settings, then Bluetooth, and make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Keep the Bluetooth screen open so you can watch devices appear. Once the Beats show up, you're ready to tap them and move to the actual connection step. Now you pick the Beats Flex entry that appears under Available Devices. Tap the listing. Your phone may show a pairing confirmation dialog. Accept it and allow any permission requests for contacts or audio if you want call integration. Once paired, Android will assign audio profiles. Make sure a 2DP is active for high-quality media and HFP for microphone and calls. If prompted, set Beats as the default media output. If audio won't play, verify volume and that media out. Finish by testing both music and a short call to confirm microphone and media routing work correctly. Adjust Android app output if needed. If the Beats fail to connect, reset them by holding power plus volume down for about 10 seconds, then re-enter pairing mode. If issues persist, forget the device in Android Bluetooth settings and clear the Bluetooth cache in system apps. Then retry pairing. This removes stale profiles. One key tip: toggling phone Bluetooth off and on often resolves transient handshake failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.